Hey guys, I'm gonna do an update here on Golem, if that's how you say it. Um, let's see. So this is a new position we started last week, and um, this is part of a blog post I'm doing as far as the background. It's just some basics. I mean, a lot of you guys are go into more depth on the fundamentals and understand a lot of more of the technicals on how these coins work and the different technologies behind them, but I'm just going to give you my expertise on the chart and the timing as far as I see it. So when you go to the daily chart, there's really not a lot here that pops out. It's just, this is a newer coin, hasn't traded very much. This first candle, this first day up, this is not very helpful. What typically what you want to kind of do, and this is true for a lot of stock IPOs, is you got to kind of let them trade for a little while and find their rhythm and find their range. But when I look at this daily chart, a couple things stand out. So here, this was the low, right, on the first day trading. Who knows where this actually, if these actually were trades that went off, if these are real prints. The data is probably all over the place. The spread's probably really widened out. And this is just on one exchange also. So you can't really give this a lot of weight, is what I'm trying to say, right, guys? So, but what's interesting is after all this movement, then it got nice and quiet, built a tight base, and then took off on this candle. And then, I know this is terrible. The zoom function is really not good on this. Here. Alright, that's a little better. So guys, look. Tight base, right? Boom. On this candle here, this was a buy. Okay. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles up. You get a little bit of extended at or away from the 8 here. You want to be taking some profit. And then it's more rinse and repeat. So here we have another pullback back towards the bands. This is a swing line setup in our model. I like this candle. This is a BCI, my traders know. Alright, but then it starts to kind of, the chart takes a little bit more form on. So you held the bands here, another swing line set up here, nice consolidation here. You take out these swing line highs right there, then you go for another run. But it's experienced a nice intermediate term downtrend. So these lows are still in place, and then you have support here down at this level. This is actually an inverse head and shoulders, a small one for you guys that are pretty technical. You can look that up if you don't know what that is. Inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, there's the head, there's the right shoulder. So we've basically been bouncing off the bottom down here, right around this same level. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what that is in dollars. I'd have to flip over and see. But anyway, so we're going to start building a position down here, and it's going to be patient. It depends on the cycle. You can see that just by looking at the RSI down here, you're oversold. Right here, you want to be taking profits. Here, you want to be buying again. So that's what we're going to be doing. It depends on how this takes shape. I mean, the nice part about a new coin like this is here. We went as high as 65 cents in dollars. Now you're back down to 20 cents. So the next bull run here, you can easily, it's easily a triple back here, back to 60 cents. And if it collapses, say we lose another 50 cents, right? Or another 50%, all the way back to 10 cents, all the way back to zero, you know where your risk reward is. You know that you can only go to zero, right? So there's this amount on the chart that there's only this much risk, and then how you work our position, right? You can scale in here, you get a pop, take some off, how you work your position is what I'm saying. Between here, 20 cents, and 0, there's only so much area on the chart. There's only so much ground. So it's much easier to work a position when you know what you stand to lose and what you want to put into the position than trying to buy something that's had a huge run and it has a great deal of distance it can fall before you're back to 0. So I really don't care, guys. I hope this goes back to 10 cents. If this gets cut in half, we're just going to buy more shares, get a bigger position at lower prices, and then we know how it trades in the space. It's just a matter of time before we get a certain catalyst, um, and these things take off, and then they get some interest, some more capital gets behind them, people chase, and then away we go. So anyway, guys, that's what we'll be doing on Golem. For those of you that are on the crypto team, we'll be having a lot of real-time alerts on this. So look for those in the real-time alerts room, and look forward to having some of you join the team in the upcoming weeks and months as well. All right, guys, hope that helps. Talk to you soon.